to show you what I did. I put together this frame, and I think it fits. But then I wanted to build some with this thing. I wanted to put it on here, kind of like a place for a shelf to rest. But I cut them too short. No, actually, I cut them too long, which is a good thing. It's better to cut too long than too short. And so, you know, I would have put everything together today. You know, put the frame on, put the wooden frame onto the metal frame. But anyway, I made that mistake, and it's probably gonna be at least another half hour to correct that. And anyway, I need to go inside. I need to start dinner and all that good stuff. And I'm not tired today, which is a good thing. I'm glad about that. So, but anyway, in any case, I do need to go inside, and it's past the time I should have gone in anyway, so. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.